YouTube, this is Brian, B-Ride the Waver, coming back with another video. I was supposed to make a video last night of me unboxing, unwrapping this package I got yesterday from Razak Products, do-rags, but I was so tired yesterday after work and school. I got so tired that I wasn't able to post a YouTube video, but I'm here now. I'm on break and I'm ready to unwrap so that you guys can see what I got. So, okay. There we go. This is Sprite. So Many Waves do-rag. Sprite. Then I believe this is Jaguar. Right here. See? Stitching. Next, I think this is Panda. White and black. Next, this one's the Easter Bunny. I don't know what outfit I'm gonna use to wear this, but as I'm not really a big fan of pink. But here it is, it's pink and Egyptian blue. Very excited to wear these. Also, I have a Mamba do-rag in my bag. I have it here somewhere. Hold on for a second. Yep. Opened it, never worn it before. I'm gonna be wearing it later on today. This is gold and purple's right here. So, and by the way, this is gold. I'm going to be wearing them in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. God bless.